In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off notifications on your Windows laptop. So if you don't want to be getting any notifications on your laptop, you need to do this. So now let's open our settings to do that. So we hop on settings by searching settings here. Now we launch that. Good. So these are our settings. On the settings, we move to our system. Good. And you see notifications here, just launch that to open that, and let's do that there. Good. So you can see I have notifications here. What I need to do is just toggle it off. But then you can tap on this arrow sign here to make a couple settings. So now let me turn it on, and you can make some settings here. Allow notification to play a sound, show notifications when you lock your screen, show notifications, blah blah blah, incoming calls, and the rest. So you just turn it off like this, so you'll be getting no notifications on your Windows laptop. Simple and easy like that. So if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it. Peace.